Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to switch off Samsung A35 5G device. Well, switching off your device completely can conserve battery power, especially if you don't plan to use it for an extended period. This is particularly useful if you are not going to use your device overnight or during travel. Not only that, regularly powering of your device also can help maintain its performance and stability by clearing temporary files and refreshing the system. So, let's go to the tutorial. First step, long press power button and volume down button basically. Next, click on power off option. So for the second step, open control center on your device. Then here you can click power icon and press power off option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to switch off Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.